Sometimes it's best to tear out the old pool and build a new one.
Alright, so we're back out in Dallas. Today is concrete day, and we're going to take you on a quick tour of where we're at on our project. So we're doing concrete with turf leave outs here. It's going to be gorgeous once we're done. What these guys are doing right now, closing that aggregate finish.